Hello IG Garage family, is your check engine light on with the P0186 code? This means the fuel temperature sensor B is giving an abnormal signal, which can affect your car's fuel system performance. Ignoring this can lead to poor fuel efficiency, engine hesitation, or even difficulty starting. But don't worry, today I'll explain what P0186 means, where to find the affected sensor, and how to fix it quickly. Stick around because fixing this early can save you from expensive repairs. The P0186 trouble code indicates an issue with the fuel temperature sensor B circuit, where the voltage is reading too high or too low. This sensor monitors fuel temperature to help the engine control unit, or ECU, adjust the air-fuel mixture for optimal performance. If the sensor is faulty, or there's an issue with its circuit, your car may run inefficiently or struggle to start. Symptoms of P0186 include the check engine light coming on, hard starting or stalling, poor fuel economy, and erratic engine performance. Common causes of P0186 are a faulty fuel temperature sensor, which might be sending incorrect signals due to internal failure, and damaged wiring or loose connectors. Corroded or broken wires can lead to incorrect voltage readings. Fuel contamination is another cause. Dirty or contaminated fuel can cause temperature inconsistencies affecting sensor performance. And though it's pretty rare, sometimes the engine control unit itself may be faulty. The fuel temperature sensor B is usually located inside the fuel tank, attached to the fuel pump assembly. In some vehicles it may be installed along the fuel rail near the injectors. You may need to access it by removing the rear seat for vehicles with an access panel, or dropping the fuel tank. Now let's talk about wiring and circuit inspection. The sensor connects to the ECU through a wiring harness running along the fuel lines. If the wiring is damaged or disconnected, the sensor may give incorrect voltage readings. First, inspect the wiring and connectors. Check for loose, corroded, or damaged wiring. If you find any issues, go ahead and repair or replace the wiring harness. Next up, let's test the fuel temperature sensor. Use a multimeter to check the sensor's resistance. Compare the readings with your vehicle's service manual specs. If the readings are out of range, it's time to replace the sensor. Okay, so, first, check for fuel contamination. If you find dirty or water-contaminated fuel, you'll want to drain it and replace the fuel. Next up, if the fuel temperature sensor turns out to be faulty, go ahead and install a new OEM or a high-quality aftermarket part. Now let's clear the code and take the car for a test drive. Use an obd2 scanner to clear that P0186 code, then drive for a few miles just to make sure the check engine light doesn't pop back on. And that's pretty much how you fix P0186 and keep your car running efficiently. Addressing this issue on time will definitely help improve your fuel economy and prevent further engine problems. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more car repair tips from IG Garage. Also, check out these related videos: P0113, Intake Air Temperature Sensor Circuit High Input, and P0114 Intake Air Temperature Sensor Circuit Intermittent. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.